One, professionalism in selling. Let me summarize all the points one more time. Know your guest profile by regular or new customer. You need to understand your customers, if they are regular or if they are first timer coming to your place. Then you need to ask a question politely to determine the needs. By determining the needs, you are able to suggest better, because what is suited best for them, you are going to recommend to them. You need to know your menu items, all the items, what ingredients are put into preparing that item, how is the taste, how is the preparation, how long does it take to do this dish, and the presentation is done, how it is served, or accompaniments or something to go with it. Then again, product name, all the dishes names, the value, the price, the selling price, and at least you need to offer two options when suggesting to the customer, that if they didn't like white, you can suggest red, or you can go even differently, keeping in mind what type of guest needs are these, what is his mood, what he has spoken to you during the conversation. Accordingly, you go suggesting, but try to give him a choice. So if not this, other one he can choose. Also, try not to sell more profitable items, but what is preferable to the guest. You see what is his liking. When whatever he's saying he's liking, accordingly from the available menu you suggest. So the satisfaction of the guest will be higher, because this is exactly he was looking for. He came looking for that kind of dish, and you appropriately suggest it. To continue with the professionalism in selling, you need to know your cocktail and beverages. When the customer come to your restaurant, you are not only selling one item, one soup, one salad, or this to the customer. You also have to know the knowledge of the cocktails and the beverages options. So if you are knowing the cocktails, you can suggest accordingly what cocktail will go which kind of food. If they are just beginning to start the meal, okay, so you need to suggest what is available, what best we can do today. And the beverages option, what else is available if not the cocktail? Maybe they want to go for a long drink, they want to go for only straight on the rocks, or anything else, or maybe even a glass of juice, or maybe non-alcoholic cocktails. If they are non-drinkers, something else. So you have to have a comprehensive cocktail and beverage knowledge, so accordingly you can go and suggest. This will help you raising the guest check, because if you are able to sell a cocktail, if you are able to sell a side beverage or a fruit juice or even a soft drink, you can shoot the average check easily. And the customer, actually they like it. Sometimes they don't know what they have to drink. Sometimes they don't know what is available in this outlet. It is entirely onto the server, how he is going to handle and he is going to catch the opportunity. You speak to the customer and you show him, sir, I have glasses of wine available. I have this available. I have that available. When you draw his attention, ultimately he is going to speak with you. He will tell you, do you have a glass of wine? Do you sell wine by glass? Do you have aperitifs? Do you have a liquor trolley? Can you pass by this? Can you do me this? Or do you have a long drink? Or where is your bar? Can I see your beverage menu? And always when you're taking food or beverage orders, always keep the beverage menu, the wine menu handy with you, because once the food order is taken, this is the time you hand over the wine card to the customer. Let him choose whatever he has ordered as a main dish. Now he will be selecting appropriate wine or anything else to go with it.
So I have a
Add to
question
that,
here. The question is, sometimes when we go to a restaurant, they give out all the menu in the beginning. They give out the food menu, beverage menu, drink menu, dessert menu, everything at the same time. Is it right, or we should give only the, let's say, the food menu first, and then once he finished the order, then we give him the beverage menu? What is the right way?
let me take it. The right way is always give the food menu first. When the food menu is done, when you have done the order taking, you have all the other time remaining with you to happily take the beverage order, especially the wine,
Hmm.
because it will take time for guests to determine. And mainly when people order wine, they first see what they have ordered as a main dish,
Hmm. Hmm.
because it is a pairing of food with the wine. Normally people will say, okay, I will go for a chilled wine, or I will go room temperature, I'll go red, I will go rosé, I will go anjou, I will go chilled wine, I'll go dessert wine, I'll go champagne, or anything else depending on the mood, depending on the day. So to begin with, give the food menu first. When the food menu is done, when your food order taking is done, you have a time immediately to catch up. Either you take beverages order, you take fresh juices order, you take wine order, you take cocktail order, because that will take less time to come from the beverage. Secondly, guest is free. Now he has placed the food order. He already know that he is going to expect X food. And also he has made up in his mind whether he would like to accompany this with a glass of wine, or a simple cocktail, or simple fruit juice, or even aerated water, a soda water. So if you talk about a sequence, I will suggest kindly give the food menu first, open the first page. Do not give closed menu, never give a closed menu to the customer. Always open the first page, give the menu for the customer to read on the first page, then he will be the one turning the pages according to his choice, and you do the order taking. Once that is done, if in the middle you have to pass the wine order to somebody, you can pass the wine menu to somebody in the middle if asked. But always, as a principle, let the food order come first. You record the food preferences. It will take you a lot of time to record, especially if the table is bigger, more than 6 people, 4 people. It will take you time to record the appetizers, the soup, the side dishes, the main dishes, and if they have any special preferences. So it will take you some time. But once that is done, customer mind is entirely free, and you are also free to interact because you already know what they order. Accordingly, you are able to suggest the wines now. So this gives you enough time to approach, and this gives enough time for customer to reveal what they want to buy today. Further,